Good afternoon. Welcome. And I wanted to welcome all of you to Pau Hana Friday. It wouldn't be Pau Hana Friday without some red wine, white wine, and Prosecco. And also today our food partner is Kozo Sushi. So there's some tasty treats going around and we hope you enjoy them. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Mahalo.
Thank you, Matthew.
Again, we call ourselves Kaiholu. We've been playing music since about 2008 or so, and enjoying the ride so far.
Pick an island. What island? Kona. That's not the island. That's Pick an island. Las Vegas. No, wrong one. Kona. Hawaii.
Who is gonna go Las Vegas? Anyone? Las Vegas?
Oh, too early. The
yeah?
flight no leave till 9 o'clock tonight.
You know, yeah. Well, I'm going on Sunday.
They found out at free concert. That's why. Okay, so somebody said Hawaii. We got to do a song from Hawaii. Dream.
This song mentions all the different types of limu, all the different types of seaweed that a Hawaiian would enjoy. Our waters provided us with over 60 varieties of seaweed to choose from. This song mentions 4 very delicious and very nutritious types of seaweed. And it's okay for those of you from the main continent. If you don't like seaweed, that's okay.
More for us.
More for us. A song called Uluwehi o ke kai, the vegetables of the sea.
All right. Ready.
Kind of fast.
Was it too slow, huh?
Okay, sit down after that one. Grab a beer.
Yeah, sit down.
I don't know. I got to sit down now.
That was
Sit down.
Hula
Go to the back,
Aerobics
go to the back.
101.
Right on. Mahalo for that.
It's the best part about playing when they give a beautiful dancer. We get the honey after. So
we never
ladies,
like kiss
oh
him.
no. Sorry,
Handshake was okay.
Yeah. Have a nice flight. Oh, we're going quiet again.